Our hair is not looking all that. You put a hat on it. I'm feeling real cute. I'm feeling real cute. Real cute. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and welcome back to another tutorial. So y'all, I am on the road with these tutorials. Like I told myself I was gonna make it happen, and I'm making it happen. And I'm making it happen. I am throwing videos out there from left to right every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one because I definitely took out down this one. It's cute, and I added a little color to it, so it's like nude at the top, and then at the bottom I tried to add a little color to it. But y'all, face came out so bomb. I love it. I don't want to keep y'all long in the intro, so let's get into the tutorial so y'all can see how I achieve this feat. I went ahead and took my Plouise Base number 2 and this is 0 on my hands, but I took number 6 to prime my eyes. Now I'm about to go in with these two palettes, y'all. Bomb. Like these minis, like I don't know, Juvia's Place like right now has been life to me. Like favorite palettes just to pick up and to go to. Like we playing in nude today, and then these chocolate browns. I have to give it a try and play in these colors. These colors are bomb right here, so we're gonna want to play in these. First color that we're gonna go in with is we're gonna go into this chocolate brown. This is called the Chocolate by Juvia's Place. We're gonna go into this chocolate palette right here, and we're gonna actually take this all the way to the front area. My medium shader brush from Makeup Addiction, and we're just gonna pat this on. And like, look how smooth it just glides on. So pat this on, y'all. Like, be real precise, y'all. Be real precise. When it comes to makeup, this is art. Treat it like art. Be real precise with it, okay? Actually going high with this pigment only because I'm about to cut the crease, and I want all the colors to show. So I want to go actually pretty high with this. What I want to do is I'm going to take my Morphe 505 brush. It looks just like this. It's a fluffy brush. I'm looking over here because I see the viewfinder. This color right here in the palette, it's like everything is right there. Like all the transition colors is right there to take. Like you could just use simply these three right here, top of that dark brown with that, and we're just going to basically blend out that first color. When I get to the front part with the second color, I try to stay low because I want to put that third color up there too. So you basically pat it, pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna go in with this color from the Zulu palette, is this one, and I'm gonna mix it tad bit with this color right here. Brush is a JH30. So y'all see, oh. What I did was I kind of took my fingers and I kind of blend out the edges because it's going to be brown anyway. So I'll just take my fingers and blend it out. Go in here, and I want to take this color. Pack this on first. I'm gonna take the Nude palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in with this peach shade right here. Now I gotta find lashes. I'm wait for this to dry so I can go over it, over that line with the brown. But it is like waterproof because it didn't come off not once. Like, damn, okay, bitch. I don't need this. I don't need this pop, but I like it. Took my primers, which I will leave in the description right below. Other than that, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty and put it in like the highlighted areas, and then on the outer perimeters of my face, I'm gonna take NUDE Caledonia. Or the concealer, but for concealer, I use Makeup Revolution C11, and then I am going to go underneath my eyes, and I'm going to put Nars concealer down. I've been loving Makeup Revolution concealer lately. I don't know why, I don't know what it is, but it's actually got me looking really flawless. I'm gonna take Honey. This is Light 3 from Nars, and I love the extra boost of highlight underneath. So this ain't even my skin. This ain't even for my skin color. It's time to say I did my nose and I keep it just like that. I was thinking about doing something different at the bottom, like colorful. So since it's so peachy right here, Studio Fix foundation. Take my number 77 gel liner. I'm gonna take my Bash palette because all the rainbow colors is up in here. I'll put this purple first. and took my Voss palette and then did the rainbow color. So I think I took Jellies, Awesome, and I took Acid Wash, Neon, and Leg Warmer. Base, I'm gonna take my what's this? I'm gonna take my bronzer, and it's called Phenom. My face looks so snatched. Man. I'm gonna add Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I am going to grab this color right here. Well, I was thinking about this color. Like that. So I'm taking some of the time and I'm putting it on while I'm like going around. Period. I like this lip liner. Concealer and Tan Deep Sand from Tarte. I like to do is I like to either take a clear gloss or some type of gloss to put on top of it. I want to say my Plouise gloss and Paige, but I'm gonna put this only in the center. Period. I think I'm back with my hair flatlined and change the outfit, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. So then I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. I was ready to blow me down.